Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to 5 Bar 1A Dryden Street, right in the heart of Grey Lynn. This unit is in a boutique block of 10, and if you are looking to get a foothold in this central location, then you have to check it out. On the upper level, the unit has a large single bedroom with views right across the city, and a fantastic bathroom that's been recently renovated. The living area, dining and kitchen are on the lower level. The wonderful thing about this particular unit is this amazing north-facing outdoors area. It's both super sunny and private, and with views right across the city to the Sky Tower, you are going to spend so much of your time out here. And if you get tired of making your own coffee, it's only a short wander to the cafes and bars of Grey Lynn and a tiny bit further to Ponsonby. But should you need the car, you have an off-street car park completing the package. This is absolutely entry-level Grey Lynn, and we know it's going to be popular, so make sure you come along on the weekend. We look forward to seeing you here.